Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Gayana. In this video, we are going to learn some of the plank exercises. Plank exercises are more effective for your core muscles, and it also helps to work on your abs, arms and the shoulders. In this video, there will be a different variation of plank exercises. Let us see what are those exercises and let us begin the video.
Slow mountain climber. The slow mountain climber works the whole of the core, both front and the sides. This exercise strengthens your arms, back, shoulders and the legs. Good for heart health. Improve your body flow and makes your body flexible. And also it is very good for increasing your stamina. Number 2. Plank to dolphin. Helps in muscle pumping, provides strength to upper body. It includes the chest, abdomen, strengthens the muscles of the spine. It is a great for shoulders and the arms. It stretches the shoulders, calf and the hamstring muscles. And it also stabilizes your torso and the core muscles as well. Number 3. Plank dips. It strengthens the three muscles group at once, protect your spine, reduce the risk of back injury. It will tone your back muscles, glutes, arms and the shoulder at the same time. And it also improves the balance and stability. Plank shoulder taps. It main target to the core muscles. By doing this regularly, this helps in strengthen and gain more stability in your trunk. It includes the hip flexors, back, glute and the hamstring muscles and quad wrap. Plank jack. This exercise combined with cardio and core strengthening. Always make sure your body should be in a straight line. Helps the muscles of the both upper and lower body. Strengthens the several muscles including the chest, abdomen and the arms. Up and down. Improve the mental health, strengthens and tones your core, glute and the wrist. This will help to improve your posture and the thighs, tight the middle section and boost your weight loss. Spider-Man plank gives you a full body workout, tones your abs, build a flexible in the hips and the thighs. It strengthens your arms and core muscle groups. Good for reducing the stress. It also targets your triceps, shoulders and improve the knee health. Reduce the lower back pain. Forearm plank leg raise. Helps to lose weight from the legs. An effective exercise for your lower abs. Strengthens the calf muscles and the glutes. Adding leg raise can help in activate your abdominal muscles, improve the better balance, even healthier back.
That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you want to burn the belly fat, and these are the super fine exercises to burn out the calories in the body. And thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.